How to use Teflon tape. When winding, use the upper part of the Teflon tape for winding, which can better ensure the sealing performance. The winding direction should be the same as the rotation direction of the joint to prevent the Teflon tape from being squeezed out during rotation. Do not wind Teflon tape on threads. Besides avoiding the Teflon tape from entering the pipe, it will also reduce the sealing performance. It is recommended to start winding from the second thread at the start and end of the thread and leave out the first thread. When winding Teflon tape, a certain amount of force is required. Wind the Teflon tape while ensuring that it is not broken. The Teflon tape used this way is tight and firm enough to ensure the sealing performance. Once the Teflon tape is tightened, do not reverse the thread. Turn it back, otherwise it needs to be rewound. After each use of the Teflon tape, it needs to be rewound when used again. If the joint width is large, choose a wider Teflon tape. If the width is small, choose a Teflon tape with a smaller width. Try to choose a larger thickness and length to avoid damage during